course, to the movers of hope, to Nanette and Chris Poe, to my wife, Lucy. Karen, thank you for hosting today. To all the partners here today. Ma'am Yu Fei Lai, Mother of Nanette, to our board members of hope, Doris Monseco, Paolo Campos, Sharon Apat. We have government officials. We have Congresswoman-elect Audrey Zubiri with us today. Also, Congressman Romay. Of course, Tessie Sicos, chairperson of PDO. Thank you, ma'am. With SVP, PDP, Rolando Tanchaco, SVP Nanette Regala, Stephen Tan of SM Supermalls, Kevin Tan, Vic Gregorio Shakes, Ruby Hernandez of Metro Pacific Agro Ventures, Carmen Spes, Dr. Steve Teo, the Ivy Clinic, Ronald Rodo, Alice, Brandon, and Bernie Yu of Golden ABC, or Pet Shop Oxygen, Forum, Nemo Regatta, Walk, and other wonderful local brands. Bea and Eric Lee, Gino Winston Sons, Ryan Labrador of Rev LB Solutions, reseller of Starlink, Seth Rondario of Innovation Catalyst, Stanley Nat, Captain Stan of Philippine Airlines, Joaquin Romero of P4, Marco Benitez of Paco. So here, of course, our Debt family for official hours here. To the leaders in product retail, hospitality, food and beverage, and all the members of the media, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I didn't realize I was going to give a presentation of the final. So, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Our friends from Generation Hope, our colleagues. You know, we gather in a mall, usually a place of leisure for convenience, but today this space is a launch pad of learning. We open the doors for consumers to directly impact our schools, and we've seen how impactful that can be. We thank Hope for their past initiatives, but this is something else. This is game-changing. Thanks to your help. Every classroom that will rise because of this partnership is not just a product of good marketing. It's a response to an urgent call to help Philippine education one school at a time. Let's take you to a mountainside in Sarangani, not far from where Hope has already been constructed, not far from where my wife went to get some computers that she and Karen helped raise through Connected. In a small, almost unreachable barangay where Kia Ol Elementary School stands, students cross rivers and trek through muddy trails just to attend class. Bawat pang nila ay may kasamang panganib. They studied in classrooms barely standing under makeshift shelters. Today there are new classrooms, which are stable and full of funds. And for the indigenous Balaan learners of Kia Ol protocols, not just shelter their learning, they affirm their work. So, sa kabila ng distansya ng kanilang komunidad, may mga nakalmin, may mga tumutuwa. And of course, let's go to General Santos City, Region Bulacan, southernmost Philippines. They're in a high school in Bagong Silang. Young learners from the Pigoli tribe used to walk 14 kilometers to get to school. 14 kilometers. Don't think I walked that in a week. Halos isang buong umaga sa daan para sa karapatan. When they arrived, there wasn't much of a school, just an open gym, no dry floors and no walls. But there are now classrooms on the ground. These schools are Generation Hope classrooms. They have been game changing. And Nanette likes to downplay them by saying it's a drop in the bucket. But, you know, for that, you talk to those learners there, you talk to that community, you ask them if it's a drop in the bucket. I don't think they will tell you it's a drop in the bucket. They will tell you it's been life changing, it's been transformative, it's their future. You change their lives for the better. So, again, what we're doing today, this is a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. Both those schools were game changers, but what you all will be doing in the future will be a game changer. And that's where the power of this partnership lies. Hope is no longer the burden of just one agency, one secretary, or the president. Hope is now shared across the various sectors, the various brands, the various wordings. And that's what truly makes this moment powerful. So thank you, BDO. Thank you, Grab. Thank you, Petcha. Thank you, SM Supermalls. Thank you, Carmen's Best. Thank you, Sunny's. Thank you, Pick Up Coffee. Thank you, Ivy. Everyone, please eat more ice cream. Please buy more shirts. Please take more Grab rides. Please buy more sunglasses because it's hot outside. Drink coffee. These things are good for you. Each brand carries a piece of the classroom that we've studied for decades. You know, these, I don't want to sound morbid, but these things that we will construct, they will outlive us. You know, when we're all done, these things will still be standing. I know that because many of the classrooms that we have to repair now were built during the President's father's time. And they were meant to last just 20 years. But they're still there. Because maybe, you know, construction materials were better, but sabi nila marami po bakal yun, but they're still standing. So everything we do from here on, most likely, they will live to see that. But many of us here will no longer be around. But these classrooms are still here. Thank you very much, all of you. So this is what the President means by Bagong Pilipinas. He talked about unity during his campaign. This is unity, not just within the government or within the among the politicians, but among all Filipinos. That's why we're truly appreciative of this initiative and what's happening here today. Thank you to the wonderful ladies who made this all possible. I saw these ladies. Thank you, Nanette. Thank you, Tutsi. Thank you, Tessie. Thank you, Karen. And to all the Alice, of course, we just get out of the way, guys. Get out of the way. But you know, just to cite the fact, you know, in school, the girls are also performing better than the men also. So I think the men, guys, you have to level up in the future. But,
don't forget Tia.
Yes, of course. Thank you very much. I just want to say thanks, really, from the department education. You know, there's a million of us, but sometimes it feels it can be lonely, especially when our budget was cut by 12 billion. You know, it felt very lonely that people didn't care. But now, today, on this day, at this very moment, we know that people care very deeply about education. They care very deeply about the future for them. So thank you very much. God bless all.
Thank you very much, Secretary Sunny Angara. Thank you to all our partners. Thank you, Generation Hope. And as you enjoy your merienda, please, let's enjoy the students from Nicolas Dani Aligado IT Integrated School who flew in from Mindanao